Uh, Hi guys, welcome to another episode of our YouTube channel, Flying Bees. First of all, I would like to thank you for all your support which you have shown us during the past days. Today, I have been invited to my friend's place. They have requested me to prepare a biryani, a Mangalorean style biryani. Uh, we have taken 2 kilo of rice here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to wash it properly and then soak it for 30 minutes. Guys, along with the ginger garlic paste, I am adding this also. This is a coriander leaf, this is pudina, this is jeera leaves. You can see here, this is jeera. This is that ginger garlic paste, and I have all the leaves which I showed you earlier. It's grinded here. Guys, I have taken 2 kilo chicken here. So for marination, I'm going to add 2 spoon of salt. More than half spoon of turmeric. 2 small spoon of coriander powder. 2 spoon of Kashmiri chili. 1 spoon of garam masala. Guys, I'm going to add 400 grams of curd yogurt. This is a mixture of coriander leaves, pudina and jeera leaves. Also I have ginger garlic paste here, so I'm just going to add this one to this. I'm going to add a little A1 biryani masala for this one, a little bit, one spoon. Guys, I'm going to add I'm going to make it 3 parts because little bit I'm going to use for garnishing also. So now this is for the masala, rest of them I'm going to keep it aside. Guys, just marinate this for 20 to 30 minutes. If you can do it, keep it for more, that will be excellent, but here I have no time, so I'm just going to keep it only for 20 to 30 minutes. What to do is that I'm going to add whatever the remaining oil which I used to fry the onions. So not all, little bit. Just mix it properly and then keep it marinated for 20 to 30 minutes. So now we are going to move on to the rice section, and I'm going to put some salt here. Here I have some star, elaichi, cloves, cinnamon, and bay leaves, pepper. Okay, so once you add this, let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes, and along with that I'm going to just add some scraped carrot. This is almost half an hour here. We are going to just stain the rice and put it in the water. We are just going to boil this for exactly 7 minutes. 7 minutes we are just going to take one layer, and the second layer we are going to take after 2 minutes. I'm going to take the first layer here. This is the second layer after 2 minutes. Okay. Adding some ghee for this one, 2 or 3 spoon. That's it. I'm just going to add some little bit of garam masala here, just a pinch of garam masala, just for good aroma. That's enough. And now we are going to keep it for dum. We're just going to cover this with a foil paper. Okay, now the flame is in very high. For 2 minutes we are going to keep it in a high flame, and then we are going to put it in a very sim. Okay, now it's almost 30 minutes I've kept here. Let me see if the chicken is boiled or not. Yeah, it's very juicy. It seems to be very juicy. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to add remaining fried onions, and if you need, optional, we are going to add the grapes and that's done. We are going to mix it. So mix it. നല്ല മണമുണ്ടല്ലേ
എടുത്തോമേ